This video will demonstrate the use of special tool bearing puller. This special tool is used to pull out the bearing from the alternator rotor shaft during alternator disassembly. It is also used to install the starter pinion stop ring over the snap ring during starter motor assembly. Using bearing puller. Alternator rotor bearing removal. Before removing the rotor bearing, remove the rotor from alternator after dismantling the necessary components. Mount the rotor on the bench vise. To prevent damage to the rotor, use wooden supports to mount the rotor on the bench vise. Now install the special tool on the rotor shaft with its arms reaching below the bearing. To prevent damage to the rotor blades, avoid its contact with special tool. Align the special tool screw to the center of shaft and tighten it till its arms hold the bearing. Tighten the stopper of the special tool to lock the arms in their position. Now tighten the screw of the special tool until the rotor shaft bearing slides out. Remove the special tool and the rotor bearing from the rotor assembly. Starter motor pinion stop ring assembly. To install pinion stop ring on the starter motor, fit the special tool on the pinion shaft with its arms reaching below the pinion snap ring. Align the special tool screw to the center of shaft and tighten it till its arms hold the snap ring. Tighten the stopper of the special tool to lock the arms in their position. Now tighten the screw of the special tool until the stop ring fits on the pinion snap ring. Use new snap ring at the time of assembly. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps in quick and easy removal of bearing from alternator rotor and assembly of pinion stop ring of starter motor. This saves time and prevents damage to components.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.